Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to spot for all things car maintenance. And today, we are diving into a topic that has a lot of drivers scratching their heads: CVT transmissions. You either love them or hate them, but one thing's for sure, they need some special care. If you want your CVT to last, here are 5 things you should never do. Segment 1. Neutral at a stoplight. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Don't put it in neutral at a stoplight. A lot of people think shifting into neutral will save fuel, but that's not true for CVTs. These transmissions rely on a steady flow of fluid pressure. Constantly shifting in and out of neutral messes up that balance and causes unnecessary wear. Just leave it in drive and let the system do its thing. Segment 2. Engine braking. Number 2. Don't overdo it with engine braking. Sure, it may feel cool, but CVTs weren't designed for that. Unlike traditional automatics, which use gears to handle downshifting, CVTs rely on fluid pressure to adjust power. Hard engine braking strains the system, wearing out the belt and pulleys faster. If you need to slow down, use your brakes. That's what they're there for. Segment 3. Flooring it from a stop. Number 3. Don't floor it from a complete stop. CVTs are built for smooth, gradual acceleration. Mashing the gas pedal forces the transmission to work overtime, making it work harder than it's meant to. Imagine pulling a rubber band too fast, it snaps. So, ease into the throttle. Smooth is fast. Segment 4. Towing heavy loads. Number 4. Don't tow heavy loads. Even if your manual says it's okay, CVTs just aren't designed for towing. It puts a huge strain on the belt, overheats the fluid, and can lead to expensive repairs. If you absolutely need to tow, keep the load light, and always check your fluid levels regularly. Segment 5. Ignoring fluid changes. Number 5. Don't ignore your transmission fluid. CVTs are highly sensitive to dirty or degraded fluid. Over time, the fluid loses its effectiveness, causing heat buildup and wear on the system. Most experts recommend changing the fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in harsh conditions. And always use the correct fluid for your CVT. Alright, folks, that's it for today. CVTs are great for smooth driving and fuel efficiency, but they need proper care. Avoid these 5 common mistakes, and you'll keep your CVT running smoothly for years to come. Got any CVT horror stories? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Auto Repair.